Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is enigmatic. It's pronounced enigmatic, and it is spelt ENIGMATIC. Think en, then ig, then matic. Enigmatic describes something difficult to interpret or understand. For example, you could say, the enigmatic man did not seem to have any family or friends, if you knew very little about a man. The word enigmatic comes from the word enigma. Have you heard of this word before? An enigma is a person or thing that is mysterious, puzzling, or difficult to understand. Therefore, if someone is enigmatic, they are very mysterious. Did you know that during World War II, the Nazis used the Enigma machine? It was a cipher machine, meaning it created a secret code by changing the letters of a message so that it appeared to be little more than a series of random letters. This meant that the Nazis could send their secret messages without risking them being interpreted. This meant that the Nazis could send secret messages without risking them being intercepted. This Enigma code was such an enigma because every single day the code changed, making it nearly impossible to crack. However, it wasn't completely impossible. At Bletchley Park in Milton Keynes, the United Kingdom's top code-breaking team worked day and night on the code, and, amazingly, they managed to decipher it. The knowledge learned from breaking the Enigma machine codes was known as Ultra. It helped the Allies to prepare for the D-Day invasion and ultimately shortened World War II by several years. How amazing is that? Enigmatic is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, my mum sent me an enigmatic message if you received a text or letter from your mum which was confusing or mysterious. Enigmatic can be turned into enigmatically, which is an adverb, meaning in a way that is mysterious and impossible to understand. For example, you could say, he smiled enigmatically. Enigmatic is defined in the dictionary as mysterious and impossible to understand completely. Enigmatic synonyms include mysterious, puzzling, mystifying, inexplicable, baffling, perplexing, bewildering, confusing, and incomprehensible. Antonyms include clear, explicit, obvious, known, and plain. Now, I doubt you'll see anything particularly enigmatic today. But if you notice someone acting mysteriously, impress your friends and family by pointing out that they are enigmatic. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.